Hi guys, today I'm going to help you figure out how to fix your horribly uncomfortable pull-out couch. But first, let's go back in time. Exactly a week ago, where I thought, and it hit me and it clicked on how to find a solution to those really uncomfortable pull-out couches. Hi guys, today I'm here to open up this box finally. It's from Tempur-Pedic. It's the Tempur-Topper. They sent it to me last century. Okay, back in August of 2019. But it's just a mattress topper. I mean, if they would have sent me a mattress, it would have been a different story. But yeah, it's just a mattress topper. But then one day I was sitting thinking, what can I do with a mattress topper? Boom, and then it clicked. I do have a guest, and since I like her so much, I'm not gonna have her torture her back to sleep on a stupid pull-out couch. It's like the couch bed thing. It's really painful. Like, I think about it and I'm like, ouch. I don't even sleep on it. So I decided, hey, let's go ahead and open it up and then move it to her clumsy bed where she's going to be sleeping and have her test it. This is going to be a great thing. Instead of putting a mattress on top of a stupid mattress or pull-out bed or couch or futon, let's just go ahead and try a mattress topper, and it's coming from Tempur-Pedic. Ta-da! So thank you guys for sending me this, and now that I have sense, if you want, or a meaning to use that, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And then don't go anywhere. I'm really opening this up, and then just stick around because I'm going to be hearing back from my guest to see how she slept on it, on top of her pull-out bed or couch or futon or whatever you guys want to call it. It has so many names here. But it's that painful thing. And I mean, like I said, I like my guest, so I'm going to have her sleep comfortably. Hopefully this is going to be the result, or this is going to be our answer. Alright, let's go ahead and open it up, see what it looks like, see how it feels, like kind of first impression. But don't go anywhere, there's going to be a follow-up review on the Tempur mattress topper. Oh, actually guys, this feels really good. As you can see, I am kind of sinking into it, but it has this amazing memory foam. It's kind of responsive. It's like cradling your body, like you want to sink in it, but it feels good, and I think it's going to make sense to put it on top of a couch or bed instead of having it sitting on my beautiful purple mattress. I don't want to ruin it. Not today. No. But let's hear from, oh my gosh, someone who's gonna actually use it. I'll be using it after my guest maybe, but we'll see the feedback from her first. Feels good, first impression. Nice, soft. You can tell it comes from a great background. Tempur-Pedic. Hi guys, as promised, I am back here and I have moved my Tempur-Topper to a different house with a very horribly uncomfortable pull-out bed or couch. I mean, seriously, I am not joking around when I say uncomfortable. You can see it and feel it and hear it. Nobody wants to sleep on this. No, I wouldn't do this to my worst enemy. So, since I have a wonderful guest from out of town, and she wanted to sleep straight up on it, and I'm like, don't you even, because you will be leaving next day. You'll be like, I'm done with this stupid vacation, because this is so uncomfortable. So, we decided to put this topper on top of it, and this is how you fix your uncomfortable pull-out couch. All you have to do is grab a mattress topper, and today we have the Tempur mattress topper. It is called the Supreme one, so they have two versions, the Supreme and the cooling one. The Supreme is wonderful. I'm saying wonderful because I can feel it. I can tell, oh my gosh, it makes a lot of difference when you put it on top of probably your mattress. You're thinking, okay, this belongs on a mattress, on top of a mattress. No, this is the alternative solution to a pull-out couch. A very uncomfortable one, like this one. Tempur-Topper. And we are going to hear it also from our guest herself. She's been sleeping on it for a whole week now. And she's probably keeping it. She's probably leaving country and taking this with her. So we're about to find out soon. So let me talk about this beautiful cover first of all. Stretchy, removable, as you can see, which means you can wash it, which makes this topper last even longer. Now, the foam itself, this layer is about 3 inches and it adapts to your body. So whichever way you sleep on it, it's going to make you comfortable no matter the position. So I'm sleeping on my back, it feels like floating. You can sleep on your side comfortably. I might just take a nap now, hold on. Actually, we're going to bring her. Let's see how she feels about it. How long have you been sleeping on this mattress?
So far for a week. I'm in love with it. I had like back pain, but with this I feel nothing. It's amazing.
Well, I am so happy to hear that, seriously, and I really wanted to test it actually on someone else, which was you. So I know you've tried the pull-out couch on its own because you're like stubborn and you really wanted to see how it feels like to sleep straight up on the pull-out couch. So tell me about the difference between pull-out couch, which is really, really hard and uncomfortable, and the mattress topper.
Oh, Tempur-Topper definitely saved my life. I don't want to move anymore. I just want to take it with me the whole way. Whenever I'm on the pool, I want to take it with me. Whenever I'm outside, inside, it's amazing.
Well, there you have it, guys. Straight from our guest who traveled the world to seek comfortable, if you want, night's sleep. And I'm so happy to hear the feedback and to know that you've been sleeping better, because nobody wants to sleep on this.
Oh, definitely. I still have one more thing to add. I want to see the many products they have because this is amazing.
Alright, maybe if Tempur people are listening, there you go. We have someone who is really interested in the other products you guys carry. And another thing also, before we wrap it up, this may sound a little silly and ridiculous. Let me talk about the price of it. I know that it's right now, they're running a sale on this Tempur-Topper, the Supreme, and it's $399. Okay, you might think it's like double the price of a crappy pull-out couch, which is true. But you may want to try it out and test it and see what you think if you want to keep on sleeping on this horrible pull-out couch of yours. So just give it a try. I mean, it may be worth it. Okay, so thank you for watching and thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.